Cut time. So in this lesson, we are going to talk about what cut time is, how to count it out, and what to expect when you see it. So cut time is the time signature when you see the C with a line through it, or the 2 over a 2, which means 2 half notes in every measure, or what is equal to 2 half notes in every measure. So why 2-2 and not 4-4? 2-2, the beats feel larger. It's like a larger feeling kind of wheel, rather than 4-4, which goes strong, weak, medium, weak. When you have 2 beats in every measure, the emphasis on the beats goes strong, weak. In the first example, you will see that we have quarter notes, eighth notes, and some half notes. So remember, quarter notes land on 1, 2 normally, but because there are 2 quarter notes together and they are equal to a half note, remember the half notes now are like 1 beat. So the way we are going to count that is 1 and now the eighth notes, 4 fit into a half note, so that is 2 and da. Normally we count the 16th notes like that, but now we're going to count the 8th notes. We'll run through this first example nice and slow, just count it out, and then we'll play it on the piano after with the metronome. 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and a 1 and a 2 and. So in cut time, you can see there aren't 16th notes here, and often you don't see 16th notes when you have 2-2, so the music actually looks a lot cleaner and a lot less stressful. We're going to play it now on the piano, just with 1 note with the metronome. 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and a 1 and a 2 and. All right, for the second example, it's pretty straightforward as cut time goes, so we will clap that one out as well with counting and then play it on the piano. So ready, go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 and a. And here's that example on the keys. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 and a. So the big thing to remember with cut time is everything kind of shuffles back. The quarter notes now kind of feel like 8th notes, and the 8th notes feel like 16th notes because they have to be counted faster. So when in doubt, just stop playing the music, just clap or count the rhythm, write it in if you have to, and comment below, let me know how it goes.